Whether you've just purchased a human hair piece or you're considering purchasing one, you'll want to know how to best protect your investment and also keep it looking its best.
In this video, we'll talk about how to prevent excessive tangling, frizzing, dryness, and shedding of your human hair wig or topper. Tangling in human hair is common, especially in longer styles. Here are 3 things you can do to prevent this. Use your paddle brush throughout the day, paying special attention to the nape area where the hair touches the shoulders. Wear smooth, non-textured clothing. Wearing certain fabrics like wool may cause tangling due to rubbing. Another cause of tangling can be the cap size. Check your head measurements and your wig cap size for the perfect fit. If your wig cap is too large for your head, the cap material will fold over, causing the hair to rub against itself and tangle. Visit your alternative hair expert to have your wig customized to your head size. To prevent your human hair wig from looking frizzy or dull, you will need to blow dry it after washing. Air drying your human hair piece is not recommended, as the hair will tend to frizz and not have a polished look. Always blow dry with blown away blow dry balm and a round bore bristle brush. The second solution is to use professional heat styling tools. Lower quality tools can cause damage to the hair and not maintain the desired heat levels. To prevent your human hair wig from feeling dry or brittle, there are 2 things to remember. Deep condition hair every 3 to 5 washes. Deep conditioning treatments add moisture and longevity to the lifespan of the hair. Also, set your professional heat styling tool to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and use heat treat thermal spray to protect the hair. Using excessive heat can damage the hair and leave it feeling dry and brittle. To avoid excessive shedding, there are 2 things you should do. Be mindful when combing, brushing, or even scratching the delicate base materials and knots. We recommend using a paddle brush on any base materials and be cautious when brushing while the hair is wet. Also, be sure to keep all conditioners and shine products at least 4 inches away from the base. Never apply to any hand-tied areas, as this can weaken the knots and cause hair loss on the piece.
We hope this information was helpful for you. For more videos like this, please visit our human hair playlist on YouTube. Thanks for watching.